Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Bradshaws. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an omelette with one egg. What ingredients do we need? We've got some pepperoni, we've got some ham, we've got some onion, we've got some pepper, we've got some cheese and the one egg. This is the egg of a Rhea bird, which is a flightless bird coming from South America. Equivalent to about 14 normal size eggs. There you are, Chloe, one egg. Thank you very much. Now we're going to crack this bad boy open and see what happens. Oh, we've got lift up. Look at the size of that! Okay, we're going to get this whisked up and shoved onto the omelette maker.